This week's Parsha presents Chag Purim. Judaism is full of all sorts of laws, and for the most part, everything is incredibly controlled. Yet when it comes to Purim, we have a halacha that tells us that you've got to get drunk. Not just drunk, but totally drunk till you don't know what's flying. There are certain times in life that you'll notice that human beings act in an illogical way. Let's say you have an unfortunate circumstances of a mother whose child is in a life-threatening risk. The mother would instinctively want to give up her own life to be able to save her child's life. Now often that's illogical, because a logic would say, let the child die and the mother will have other children again, have 10 more children again. Yet the way that she behaves is beyond logic because of her intense love for the child. On Purim, it's a time of intense love between God and the Bnei Yisrael and his children. It's a time of intense love where we rise above logic. We rise above the normal inhibitions that we have to behave or not to behave in certain ways, because we want to allow our true love between us and God to express itself. And the reason for this is because in the time of the Purim story itself, the way we behaved often was above logic. The way we behaved on countless times were irrational. For example, Esther, the queen, went in to see the king when she wasn't called upon, and that was a cardinal sin. The children of Israel themselves, as they went out to battle to fight a bitter enemy of Amalek, fasted on the day they went out. All this was because this is how Mordechai, the rabbi and the spiritual leader at the time, told them to behave. They wanted to do what God wanted them far more than anything else, even though it was irrational. If we want to merit to have miracles happening to us like we had in the time of Purim, let us also allow our true love between us and Hashem to come out and not limit ourselves to what logic always tells us. Let us enjoy this Purim, let's get drunk, let us fall in love with God, and may we merit to all the brachos that Purim has to offer. Have a wonderful Purim.